Correct bead seating prevents blowouts and vibration. Uniform gauge prevents stress cracks in stamped tins over years of vibration. Corrosion-free threads ensure correct torque without galling. Controlled thickness here at the receiving dock keeps the fenders from flex cracking later at the mounting points. Square cuts make tight joints that weld fully and resist fatigue, calm and methodical. Burr removal prevents stress risers and keeps jig seating true. Clean edges improve seam welding and reduce rust initiation.
The rear section tubes are notched on the fixture.
Jigs lock geometry so the motorcycle runs true for decades.
Mounting bosses are faced on drill press.
Correct fit prevents wobble and notchiness in steering.
Main bearing bores are line bored through case halves. Concentric bores keep crank true and reduce vibration.
Threaded bosses are precisely tapped for covers and fittings. Good threads must hold torque without stripping the soft aluminum. Correct threads prevent blowout and misfire. Smooth journals preserve oil film and reduce heat.
Accurate grooves prevent ring flutter and oil pumping.
Clean passages prevent abrasive wear from trapped grit. Main bearings are seated with soft drift. Proper seating prevents race spin and heat failure. Careful placement prevents nicks that ruin oil film. Here we see the installation of the thrust washers. Proper end play is crucial, checked with a precise feeler gauge, ensuring smooth operation. Correct timing ensures smooth running and prevents valve interference. Dependable oil flow is the engine's longevity guarantee. A proper gap prevents ring butt and cylinder scoring when hot. Correct valve train geometry reduces wear and noise.
Accurate tooth form ensures quiet mesh and long gearbox life.
A controlled quench locks hardness without warping the pitch.
The mechanic ensures the bores are clean and free of burrs.
Here we see the petcock assembly. Note how the tight seals prevent seepage, eliminating the risk of fire and contamination. Correct jet sizes prevent lean overheating or rich fouling. Correct bead seating prevents blowouts and vibration.
Hydra-Glide fork tubes are assembled with springs. Controlled damping improves stability and reduces rider fatigue.
Fork seals are pressed precisely into the sliders, ensuring the retention of oil for consistent damping and safe handling.
Brake drum surfaces are machined on lathe brake shop. Smooth drums give predictable stopping without chatter. Calm, methodical.
Brake cam and lever are fitted into the backing plate. Correct cam action ensures full shoe contact and stopping power. The strong spark prevents misfire that washes oil off the cylinder walls. The heavy-duty wiring must be secured with a proper solder joint to withstand the vibrations of rough pavement. To prevent premature wear, all primary drive components must be meticulously cleaned and inspected before assembly. Final drive chain and sprockets are gauged and paired. Matched pitch prevents binding and premature stretch.
At the marriage station, precision is paramount. The frame and engine become one, ready for the next stage of production.
Watch the clearance on your side. Clear on this side. Take it up slow.
Correct alignment prevents stressed cases and vibration.
The precise marriage of transmission to engine. This tight alignment is crucial for smooth shifting down the road.
The mechanic uses the special tool to set the star wheel. This fine calibration prevents unnecessary drag and